What's up, my friends? What's up? What's up? So, it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon in the state here, Pennsylvania, and I'm just out cruising around, jamming to the music. So, I'm going to play the intro, and then we're going to get into it. Let's go. So, like I said, just cruising around, had to run some errands. The best way to run errands is on the motorcycle. So, cruising around, just like jamming to the music. And for those of you who listen to music while you're on the bike, I need to know something. Do you like really get into the music? Do you jam to the music? Me personally, I get into it. I sing along, I dance, I'm jamming all over the place, just jamming to the music. Here's a bunch of biker bros. What's up, guys? What's up? So yeah, I jam to the music when I'm out here riding around all by my lonesome. So I'm just wondering, guys on baggers that have radios, you guys that listen to Bluetooth, whether it be Santa, just earbuds, or you know, Cardos, whatever. Do you guys jam to the music? Because I most certainly do. And just a curious, just a kind of curious question, just to know what you guys do. So, I guess that's all I wanted to know. Let me know what you think. I mean, like, really, I wish I could play the music I listen to, so you can see me dancing and stuff and getting into it, but I'm not allowed to because of copyright shit. So, yeah. So like I said, let me know how you guys ride if you listen to music. Are you like docile and just like ho ho hum? Or are you really into it, like me? Alright guys, a real short one, real quick one. Maybe actually my average duration of views will go up because of it. Up, and there's my fuel weight again. So, I guess I'm gonna need to get some fuel. Alright, my friends, until next time, stay safe, love one another, peace.